But if you look into the life of Jesus, it is not just about witnessing. It is also about holding on to the Word. It is about the foundation of everything that we say comes from the Word. Dahil siya mismo ang salita, ang kanyang sinasabi ay pawang katotohanan lamang. And that make us the firm grip of what one word and paninindigan is all about. Kaya ka may isang salita, kaya ka may paninindigan, all because you're holding on to the truth and nothing but the truth. And if continue to hold on to the truth, people will surely continue to give you respect that is due